Governor Arif Mohammad Khan മാധ്യമങ്ങളെ കാണുന്നു തത്സമയം.
No, they have not said a single word. You are not right. Tell me what they and who has said. Tell me.
The government part, like the ruling party have.
No, they are not saying anything. How do you say that they are saying something?
Okay, and
Show me one statement from the government.
Sir, that's the main allegation of the opposition that you and government are working in tandem.
So I think you want me to respond to these totally irresponsible and ignorant talk. They are settling their internal party scores with each other. One is speaking one language. I don't consider them.
Consider the opposition.
Those who are speaking, everybody is not speaking.
But constitutionally there is a point because you are supposed to work without fear or favor as a person who is heading a constitutional post. But since you realize that there was something wrong has been done.
Irregularity has happened.
So there must be some correction.
Irregularities are happening because the designated authority is not allowed to work independently. This is your job. You are from? Mathrubhumi. This is your job.
Okay.
Now suppose an attendant of your office tells you, no, I will go and I will ask question. Then what will happen? The responsibility has been given to the governor to be chancellor of the universities. The whole evidence is before you that persons who have legally nothing to do, they are writing letters of recommendation. AG is sending his legal advice. I am not ready. One time, because AG, after all, when you say illegal, AG, after all, is the senior most legal authority. He is saying this is okay. And if I don't accept it, then they will say that I am ignoring the legally designated authority. So that's what I have written. Read my letter carefully.
But
it's not question of if and but. Your question you framed was that I did something illegal. If anybody is to be held responsible, I did so on the advice of Advocate General, who is the senior most. Even no authority in India. The legal authorities are appointed, and their advice, when it comes to legal issues, action is taken on the basis of the advice of the legal authority. In a state, the most senior designated legal authority is Advocate General. I personally felt that what they were asking me to do was irregular, was not in accordance with rules. But when the opinion of the Advocate General, without my asking, I did not ask for his opinion, but that opinion was thrust on me. Now if I don't act on that opinion, what you will say?
will somebody represent you in the High Court?
It's not question. I have already said that it is the duty of the government, now that I have stopped functioning as chancellor.
But this standoff is affecting the day-to-day affairs of the university.
You don't let me complete question to your one answer and you jump to the second. How can anybody reply to this question?
Sir, sorry.
I have not completed the answer to the question.
Okay.
What is this?
Sorry, sir.
So I have already written to the government that since I do not have, and I must also tell you that Kannur University and all these things are not so important.
പ്രതിപക്ഷത്തിന്റെ ആരോപണങ്ങളെ തള്ളുകയാണ് ഗവർണർ ആരിഫ് മുഹമ്മദ് ഖാൻ. നിരുത്തരവാദപരമായ ആരോപണങ്ങളാണ് പ്രതിപക്ഷ നേതാക്കളിൽ നിന്നുണ്ടായത്. ഒപ്പം തന്നെ താൻ വൈസ് ചാൻസലർ എന്ന പദവി അതിൻ്റെ ആസ്ഥാനത്ത് നിന്ന് താൻ മാറി നിൽക്കുക തന്നെയാണ്. സർക്കാരും അഡ്വക്കേറ്റ് ജനറലിൻ്റെ നിയമോപദേശവുമായൊക്കെ ബന്ധപ്പെട്ടാണ് അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ പ്രതികരണം ഡൽഹിയിൽ വരുന്നത്.